Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York, bringing you pictures live on location. Can you see that? Can you see that? So, I am really honored to be right back here for the second year in a row. I was here exactly the same time last year and the water was not flowing, but right now the water is flowing. I am so excited, and today it's less crowded, being on a weekday, the 8th June 2026. Yeah, this is the 9/11 Memorial Park. What do you remember when you hear about that? It's the 9/11 Memorial Park. You can see this is a national memorial, and it occupies an 8-acre public plaza in the lower Manhattan, situated on the original World Trade Center complex. I wish I could show you where the complex is, but it's on the adjacent side of where I am right now. But you can see, ouch, this visual is just so spectacular. Oh my, I love this, that I'm actually able to witness this. Knowing that I wasn't able to see just that last year. They were maintaining the pool. This is the 9/11 Memorial Pool. See, oops, I feel like my phone is gonna drop in there. Oh boy, and to excite you more, just see underneath, the waterfall is coming right from in here. This is the underneath of here. See this? See this? These are the names of the people who lost their lives during the 9/11 attack. And so their names are engraved on this 8-acre public plaza. When you walk around it, it occupies 8 acres. It's quite big. It's quite big, and I can actually get the rays, the water sprinkling over me right here. Oh boy, see that? Just take a look. I brought you live images, live from the lower Manhattan, New York, USA. You can't believe this. You cannot believe this. You cannot believe this. You cannot believe this. You cannot make this stuff up. Oh yeah? And so this place is open from 10 to 5 p.m. and it features the largest man-made waterfall. Have you ever seen such a massive waterfall? I have never seen this. It's my very first time to see this. It's the largest man-made waterfall, honoring nearly 3,000 victims who lost their lives in the September 9/11 attack. Okay? And when you reflect upon this, you know that indeed there is nothing that is impossible on the face of the earth. Nothing is impossible on the face of the earth. This is quite therapeutic. If you know me, you know that I'm a lover of water. Wow, this is quite therapeutic. See that, see that, see that. Okay? So, as I told you, these are the names that are etched into bronze panels along the edges of the pools. See that? See that? See that? Okay? Kaye badara badia kata. You can actually do some meditation and reflections right here. You can be able to imagine of what your tomorrow looks like. Oh, this is super exciting. This is a splendid view. Oh boy. And it's right on location. It's right on location. Yeah, it's open to the public on a daily basis. Okay, yeah, I'm really loving this. I'm really loving this. I wonder where all this water is coming from. It's quite huge. It's quite huge. It's quite huge, with tourists from across the nations of the world, including children. See that? See the underneath? That's water flowing through. Yeah? See the underneath? See the underneath? See the underneath? I touched it. I touched it, and this is how the water is flowing in through the pool, the massive pool that I've just shown you. See that? See that? Yeah? Yeah! I can't quite get enough of this anyway. I'm just excited. I'm so thrilled. Oh! Oh, you cannot make this stuff up! And that is the World Trade Center. Can you see that? Can you see that? That is the World Trade Center, and the complex, very massive complex, is just adjacent to this spot. I was there an hour ago, and it is so spectacular, and people are just walking around and having a feel of one of the biggest complexes you could ever see. And so I hope you enjoy this. If you haven't tapped the subscribe button, please remember to do so. I'm coming to you live on location from Manhattan, New York, in the United States of America. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the viewing. Please drop a comment and say how this has made you feel. What's your reaction to this massive 9/11 memorial water pool? What's your reaction on seeing this? Oh, thank you so much for joining, and remember to tap that subscribe button. Remember to give it a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be more than glad to read from you. Thank you so much. And Jane's Wellness Hub was right here, second time in a row. Until next time, see you in my next video. Cheers.